Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav here. So from any screen, you've got map here, navigation. So onto navigation, destination. We'll just press that again, see if it's, yeah, map. So navigation, destination, new address, address book, points of interest, destination from map. So new address, postcode, city. So postcode, it's already got our postcode in, but I'll put it in again. So we are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Whatmedale, Preston, PR. We now need numbers. So here's the numbers. The left hand side there is, you can change between 1, 2, 3 and ABC. So PR5, 4. We need to go back to letters. J, S, Papa Romeo, 5 for Juliet Sierra. Then we've got to click OK. Then we've got to click OK again for some reason. I mean, you've already told it, but so that's kind of, it's got a safety catch for some reason.
Continue to follow the road.
There you go. That's it. You've got voice there.
Continue to follow the road.
So you repeat the instruction. So once you get somewhere near home, of course you don't want to keep listening to this lady's voice, so you need to cancel it then. So if you just click back on nav, and then you've got at the bottom here cancel route. So cancel route. Do you want to cancel route? Well, yes. That's it.